a bite.
I'm trying. Oh, this one's good. Today's order, I got a grande caramel macchiato, light ice, 3 pumps of chestnut syrup, extra cinnamon powder, and soy milk instead of whole milk. So I did the chestnut syrup because I usually do the vanilla syrup, but I wanted to keep it festive, and this is my first time trying it with my usual iced coffee, and it tastes really good. I think I'm gonna keep doing this one.
I haven't tried mine.
What'd you get, my lovey? My lovey's trying a new Starbucks drink. She usually gets the strawberry frappuccino.
I don't know what it is.
It doesn't say it.
No, it just says this.
Oh, hers is a
TIWTMOC frat.
I think you got a mocha frap, and that one has coffee in it.
It might.
Let me try it. I can tell you if it has coffee. Ooh, this is good.
Does it? Yes or no?
Baby, this one's good.
Yes or no?
I can't taste the coffee, so if it has it, it's only a little bit.
Dang.
It's good, right?
Good. Oh yeah, that has coffee in it.
You don't even know.
Yes, I do. I taste coffee with Juelita Tala, and I tell you, it has coffee, so I like it.
Alright, so sorry about the lighting. The sun is literally right
In our eyes.
in our eyes. It is going down now, but
Because of that truck.
yeah, I'm just gonna stand behind this truck. So I haven't really been vlogging. The last time I vlogged was in my Halloween vlog, so I haven't vlogged since October. But I haven't vlogged because, for one, the apartment is a mess right now because we are in the process of moving, and we've been buying so many things, especially for Camila's room.
I know.
So our living room and where I film is filled
With all my stuff and her stuff.
Even where I film my usual, like my hauls or my styling videos, I can't even get there, which is why I haven't been able to film for you guys. But we're so close. Literally, we're about to probably move in next week. I really didn't want to say that we were moving next week because it just keeps getting pushed back and pushed back. So I didn't really want to come and say something and then it not be true. But we are really close now, and hopefully we can move in and I can start filming. I do want to start filming more vlogs for you guys. I have like a ton of ideas, especially for December. I had a lot of ideas that I wanted to film at the apartment too, but just with everything going on, and then last week I was sick as well, so we kind of I've just been postponing, but I couldn't wait to, you know, get some more videos up, get some content up. So I thought today would be a good idea to take you guys with us. Like I said, we're gonna go shopping at IKEA. At IKEA. We have she wants to buy like a little desk and
like
chair.
a little desktop for my computer and stuff.
Yeah, so we're gonna go look for that, and then you wanna borrow my sunnies, baby?
Yes, please.
And then
Ooh, stylish.
and then we're gonna get home, and she's been wanting to make some cookies, so we're gonna make some cookies, some Christmas cookies, and
Yes, I've been dying to make those.
my lovey's been dying to make Christmas cookies, so I promised her that we would do that. So that's what we're gonna do later today. So stay tuned, and yeah, we'll see you guys at IKEA. Zara sweatshirt, H&M sweatshirt.
Hold on, baby. You hold the cart still. Keep going.
How cute! That's cute.
I can fit myself in here.
They got all the Christmas decorations. So cute. These are cute. $19.
Mini Christmas tree. Fake one.
That's cute. I don't think we're gonna decorate for Christmas this year.
Yeah, because like it's gonna be too late already.
We're not gonna have enough time.
Yeah. We're already gonna be moving.
Moving. Oh, this is moving. Okay, I gotta stop vlogging. She hates ordering by herself.
Okay, hold on. And then I got changed. We just got back from Kohl's.
Kohl's? IKEA.
IKEA, and my tongue is
Camila was showing me how she sings.
sunny 99.1. Show them how you sing. how you sang.
Don't want a lot for
No, show them how you were singing earlier.
That's how I was singing.
No, you weren't.
Don't want a lot for Christmas.
For Christmas.
Camila, let me see.
Oopsies.
Ow.
Let me do
Wait.
the extra mile, please. I already tried that. Oh. Oh. Was that easy?
It was that easy.
Oh. Let me see.
Hold on.
Look at my hand.
What is that?
My hand. Can you don't
Well,
make
what is it for?
I don't know.
Okay, so we got this. Betty Crocker. We got the sugar cookies. We have the little cookie cutters. And we have these cute sprinkles. So. But wait, we need icing. Go see if we have some icing from the Halloween one. So 1 egg. We need 1 stick of butter. What? I have a cup of butter? I don't know if I have much butter.
Yeah, we don't know if we have butter.
I mean, I do have butter, but I don't know if I have that much butter. 3 tablespoons gold medal all-purpose flour. I thought this was an all-in-one. You will need. Oh, we have flour in there, remember? 1 stick of butter and 1 egg. Let me get
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds bling. Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice.
All right, so what we tried to do didn't work.
So now we're going to like bake it without cutting it out, and like
We were trying to cut it first,
and then it was like
and it
kept
was
on
breaking. We're not bakers, all right? So don't come for us.
All right, please.
Okay.
Oh, grandmas.
But
if you try that, then oh, you gonna mess up too.
so, so what we decided to do is we're gonna put it here. All right, and then we're going to cut it. So go, let's put it in the oven, baby.
Let go.
Careful. By the way, I'm just now going to be trying my eggnog, which I showed you guys the other day on my Instagram. I bought this one at HEB, and I had never tried eggnog before. I didn't even know what to add to it. So I got a lot of responses. A lot of you were saying to add rum, which I don't have any. And I kind of feel like I want to just try it by itself just to see how it tastes, and then I can decide what I think would taste good with it. A lot of you said cold. Definitely cold, sis, and cinnamon on top, and nutmeg if you have. So I have cinnamon, but I don't have nutmeg. So I went ahead and added some cinnamon on top. But somebody else also said with Nutella taste like hot chocolate. And then I was like, okay, so warm it up. And she said yes. So mostly everybody said cold, so I'm gonna try it cold first, and then eventually I do want to try it with Nutella because she said it tastes good. So I'm gonna be trying that one too. For now, I have my little eggnog, and I also added cinnamon. So let's see what it tastes like. Kind of tastes like it's not too thick. I thought it was gonna be thicker. It tastes like horchata. If you ever tried the rum chata, it's rum and horchata mixed. That's what this tastes like, and I love rum chata. This one does kind of taste like horchata a little bit, but with like an eggy aftertaste, kind of. I don't know, it doesn't really taste like egg, it just tastes like something, but I can't put my finger on it. I don't know really what it tastes, but it doesn't taste bad. I would definitely try it with some rum though, because I kind of like, you taste the rummy taste. I don't know, does this one already have rum? I don't think so. I thought they would have carded me, but this one's not that bad. Like I said, I got this one at HEB, and it was just the first one I saw. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any other recipes that have to do with the eggnog, so I can try. And like I said, I also want to try the hot version with the Nutella as well, because Nutella hot chocolate is the bomb. I also want to try that, so let me know down in the comments. By the way, like I said earlier, we are going to be moving soon, and I do want to start vlogging a lot more, and I also want to do more like home decor and like styling our new home as well. So I kind of wanted to do that here, but since when I started, we were kind of already in the process of moving. I didn't want to do too much here, like changing a lot. And besides that, we really can't change a lot of things here. Like I couldn't change the color of the wall, which I didn't like. I couldn't change the color of the cabinets, and just like the hardware and everything like that, we couldn't change. So I am excited to get into the new house and just start from the beginning and show you guys the process and everything like that, show you guys more my style. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are going to be interested in that as well. I'm still going to be doing fashion and styling, but I also want to have like decorating and stuff like that, because I do also like that as well. So I'm excited. I'm also thinking of doing a lot more vlogs over there, and one of them is going to be just kind of like the process of us moving in. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be coming real soon. So yeah, I'm excited. Oh look, I got it.
Alright, let's get a plate. Let's get a plate. Put it in.
Okay. Don't break it. Okay. Oh, it looks good.
Now I try the little one. She's showing me how it's done.
Yay!
Now me.
I like this one better. Let's just do this one.
Me.
Alright guys, well that was it for today's holiday Christmassy vlog. We really tried our best on these cookies. But yeah, Camila's already enjoying hers. Alright you guys, well that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and more updates coming up soon. Be sure to like this video, and I'll see you guys next time I upload.
Bye.
Bye.